Peppered Wele or peppered Kpomo, one of the underrated recipes, guys. Just try this recipe and you will love it. And today I am here to take you through on how I made my own. If you are new here, I am Hiraz and you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, share this video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. So let's start with the process. So these are the things I used. I mean the ingredients. So firstly, this is our pomo or wele or kwakuma. And this is the star of the show. I've already cleaned it and washed it properly. Make sure to get the very soft one, okay? And here I have blended tomatoes, pepper, and onion. Just add everything to how you can handle it, okay? But make sure it is spicy. You can just skip the tomatoes as well. And here I have suya pepper, which I've already uploaded it on my channel, and you can check it out. And it's a bomba. Just try this suya pepper recipe and you will love it. Here I have salt to taste, and you can use any salt of choice. Next, I have shrimp seasoning, and you can use any seasoning of choice as well. Here I have onion, garlic, and ginger powder, and I think black pepper as well. Next, I have spring onions for garnishing, and then I have onions, and then I have my oil here, and you can use any oil of choice as well. So these are the things I used. So into a pot, I will go in with my cleaned and washed wele or pomo, and then I will add some onion and salt to taste. Add water. Yeah, make sure to add water to cover everything because, as you know, Wele doesn't produce any juice at all. So add enough water, cover, and allow it to come to a boil till you are okay with its consistency. Okay. So I cooked mine for 10 minutes and I was okay. And here my wele or pomo or kwakoma is ready. So I will strain it and then set it aside, and we will continue with the process. Into my pan, I will go in with oil. Here, just use a little bit of the oil, okay? Because we don't want to force it as we are enjoying our mouth. So next, I added onions and I am going to fry this for 1 to 2 minutes till it is okay to my satisfaction. You can just fry it for 5 minutes if you're okay with it, okay? So after frying it, I will then add my blended ingredients. So here I added it and I am going to give it a stir. Allow it to fry till it is moist free. So I will cover it because I don't want my place to be messy. So I will cover it and allow it to fry till it is moist free, and then we will continue once more. So I fry this for 10 minutes on low heat and we are back at it. So I am going to give it a stir once more, and you can see, just see how yummy it looks already. And next I am going to add every seasoning I have at hand. So I've already listed everything in the beginning of this video. I'm going to give it a stir once again and allow it to fry for 5 to 7 minutes, and then we are good to go. So after 7 minutes, I am going to add my already cooked bomo or wele, and I am going to give it a good stir for every wele to be coated with the pepper sauce or stew base. So I'm going to give it a very good mix for everything to be well coated with the sauce. So once I'm done doing this, I will cover it and allow it to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. So it will be infused in the wheel very well. I mean the sauce. After that, I will give it a stir once again because I don't want this to stick to the pan, okay? That is why I'm stirring it from time to time. So next I am going to add some onions, and you can skip it if you are not a fan of onion. Just see my wele without anything. And it tasted so good, guys. So I added onions, and then I am going to give it a stir once again and allow it to fry for 1 to 2 minutes because I want the onions to be a bit tender. Okay. So you if you are still watching, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share this video for me, okay? So I am going to garnish this with some spring onions, and you can skip this part if you are not a fan of it, okay? So I will just do it like this and allow it to simmer for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we will be good to go, guys. You can find me on other socials as Hirat's Kitchen, and you can follow me there as well. Just see our peppered wele. Just tell me you're not salivating, guys. Just try this recipe. It is perfect for a teaser at an occasion, or you can just do this for your visitors at home and they will love this. You can actually pair this with rice, kenke, or even gari or anything. Yeah, okay, to eat it with. Okay, guys, I ate half of this before anyone could come in. Okay, so I paired this with rice and the combo was mad. Thank you so much for watching this video to this very end. And don't forget to try this recipe and you will love it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. And don't forget to try it too. Bye bye.